Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for November 2023. Yan, patapos na yung taon. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And also, please check out my Shopee shop. Available po ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. So, Virgo, let's see what's coming to you in November 2023 for Virgo. November 2023. Wow, freedom. I'm seeing freedom. Okay. Wow. Ganda. So, Virgo, ang energy ninyo for November is walking away from a situation. Yung iba naman, pwedeng may travel opportunities. But some of you, this can mean a relationship that is no longer serving your highest good. You feel like hindi ka na binavalue sa connection na to. This can be sa friendship, romantic relationship, or any situation na you feel na parang you are giving your all, no? Binibigay mo lahat, but hindi na ibabalik sa'yo. Hindi mo na natatanggap yung dinideserve mo. Okay? You have the Four of Pentacles as your challenge. Pwedeng, yung iba sa inyo, yung inyong ipon, no? Ngayong November, pwedeng magalaw ninyo yan. Oo. Maring siguro, gusto nyong magsimula ulit, gusto nyong, to start your new life. Siyempre, pag nagsisimula ka ulit, it may require a certain amount of money. Like, for example, aalis ka sa poder ng family mo, no? Ng mga magulang mo. And you will try to live on your own. So, syempre, it will require you some money to start. To start somewhere. Pang down sa bahay. Mga gamit. So, yung iba sa inyo, yung mga ipon, medyo mababawasan. And kung wala naman kayong ipon, pwede maging challenge ninyo is yung pag-iipon. Oo, lalo na kung meron kayong mga sinisimulan na mga projects or mga, parang pagsusolo. Oo, or ang tawag doon, pagsusolo. Yung gusto mo be more independent, ganyan. So, you have the opportunity to be independent. That makes sense, no? This is about making your own decisions and creating your own money. Iba sa inyo, self-employed, no? Maaring meron kayong papasuking business or ibang pagkakakitaan na wala kayong boss, okay? And I feel like doon kayo makakahanap ng freedom. To be on your own. And then you have the Empress as your blessing, no? Napakaganda nito bilang blessing because this is ruled by Venus, which is the planet of love, art, money, the good things in life. And I think yung iba sa inyo, Virgo, after walking away from a situation, mas magfo-focus ka sa pag-aalaga ng iyong sarili. Kasi the Empress is about taking care of yourself. Self-love, self-care. Ikaw naman yung bibigyan mo ng attention. And this is also giving birth to something new. Yung iba, literal, pwedeng kayo ay magkakaanak, no? But for some of you, this can mean being more creative, birthing something new, like meron kang ipapanganak na business, ipapanganak na idea, or meron kang madidiscover sa sarili mo na talento mo. Na pwede mo pala siyang i-monetize, no? Pwede mong pagkakitaan. What is the Eight of Cups? The Magician. Yung iba sa inyo, you are walking away from a manipulative relationship or situation na may pagka yung parang gusto nila sila yung sinusunod, na parang ikaw napagod ka na. And I think, no, yung iba lalo na sa trabaho, sa career, na pakiramdam nyo hindi nyo nagagamit yung inyong talents and skills, lilipat kayo sa iba na kung saan mamamaximize nyo yung galing nyo. Yung kung sino man na hindi kumbaga, alis ka sa isang sitwasyon na hindi nare-recognize yung galing mo. You have the Star. So, this is you may be dealing with an Aquarius or a Gemini. Or this is also your energy. Yeah. Some of you, pwedeng may mga times na magda-doubt ka sa sarili mo, kaya mo bang umalis dyan, kaya mo ba on your own, kaya mo ba, ganon. Kailangan lang maniwala ka sa sarili mo kasi kaya mo talaga. Oo, pag sinabi mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo, you believe in yourself, then definitely you can do it. You have the 10 of Cups. Oh, this is happiness. Some of you, Virgo, if you are single right now and wala kayong kids, some of you kontento na kayo sa ganong sitwasyon eh. Yung iba naman, if you are in a relationship with family, I think you will be able to mababalance mo yung oras at panahon mo para sa family mo, sa trabaho mo at sa sarili mo. Oo, yung iba kasing mga family man, family woman, focus lang sila dun sa sinusuportahan nila. Yung sarili nila nakakalimutan na nila. But for you, you will be able to balance that. What is the Empress? You have the 9 of Swords. Meron kang meron kang laging iisipin, aaralin. Na I also see some obsession dito eh. Yung tipong meron kang gustong ilabas na project na nagre-require ng matinding atensyon, pag-aaral. But eventually, ilalabas mo yan ngayong November. Oo, ang dami mong pinag-aaralan dito. So, like what I mentioned kanina, this is like birthing a new project. Something new, no? So, yun nga lang, medyo stressful sa part ninyo. Okay? But this is going to be worth it kasi blessing mo yan eh. So, when it comes to your finances, you have the Chariot. The Chariot is success. Maganda ang pasok talaga ng kaperahan para sa inyo, Virgo, ngayong November. You also have the Knight of Swords. I think, you will also try to protect your finances. Hindi ka basta-basta magpapaniwala sa mga, mangungutang sa'yo. Oo. Alam mo yung tipong, you will be more sensitive rin sa paligid mo. Oo, alam mo kung sino yung nang-BBS lang sa'yo. Okay? So, for your career, you have the Emperor. Grabe, oh. You are fully in control of your career. Some of you, meron kayong leadership role or position na i-assume. Yung iba naman sa business, maganda yung takbo ng business. Wow. Clarified by the Sun, no? Andun talaga yung confidence sa inyong career. I also see some recognition. Mare-recognize yung galing mo. So, pagdating naman sa love, you have the 6 of Pentacles and the Strength card. So, I think, meron kang very supportive na partner. Romantic partner, pwede rin tong friends or family members na handang, magbigay ng full support sa'yo kung ano yung kailangan mo to fulfill whatever dreams you have. You will also focus on your health. Ayun nga yung sinabi ko sa inyo. Self-care, self-love. Creativity, diba? This makes sense. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Ano ba yan? Kino-confirm lang talaga, no? Oo, you have a lot of talents. Sensuality. This is being more connected to your sexuality, connected sa sarili mo, like freedom. Mm-mm. Being free to have fun, to relax, nang hindi mo iniisip yung sasabihin ng iba. Oo, parang guilt-free. Na halimbawa, ititreat mo yung sarili mo, bibili ka ng gamit for yourself, or massage ka, or meron kang mga gagawin sa sarili mo to take care of yourself, manicure, pedicure, and all that stuff. Pero you will not feel guilty about it kasi alam mo na dinideserve mo yun eh. Honor your own time of harvest, offer your gifts and blessings as service to the greater good. So some of you naman will also try to help other people. Oo, especially yung mga loved ones mo. Tutulungan mo rin silang umangat. The choice is clear for you now. Follow the wisdom and truth you feel in your heart. O ayan, may clarity. Meron kayong clarity ngayong November kung anong path ang dapat nyong i-take. Anong landas yung dapat nyong puntahan. Oops, okay. Ito yung final message you have. Let them go. Ito na yun. 'Di ba? Start ng reading ninyo, sinabi ko na meron kayong iiwanan na situation that is no longer serving your highest purpose. You're going to let that go. It's time to move on and move forward for you, Virgo. Okay? So, that is your reading. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.